Welcome to Visual Communication in the Media. Welcome to week 2. That's correct. Or I'm sorry, week 5. Announcement 2. My apologies. So we're gonna finish up some week with some emotional communication with some visual techniques, ethos, logos, and pathos, and how they kind of play a part with each other and everything. Sorry I didn't get this message out. I thought I got posted yesterday, so there was some problems with the video, so I'm reposting it today. Hope everybody gets this and go from there. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about this. So ethos is a visual technique that is defined as one's credibility, and establishing credibility allows your audience to trust the message being presented a lot of times. So credibility can be established through reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth. There's a lot of play with this, but they use a source of credibility that can help persuade audiences. For example, Got Milk had this marketing ad when Brandon Ruth was Superman, and so he drank milk. So obviously Superman's super strong. If he drinks it, I'm supposed to get strong as well drinking milk. Again, fictional character, but still the concept of Superman being super strong and he drinks milk, it should apply to the same thing. It's like when you see like a sports person like promote something that they're trustworthy or other things. That's why you see like Shaq kind of promote things like Shaquille O'Neal in commercials and stuff. They use a source of credibility a lot of times, and that's how ethos is defined, by using that element. Now logos is a little different. It's a second persuasive element that focuses on logic. Once credibility is established, the argument presented must also make sense. And to be logical, any argument is centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from the information presented. Conclusions are based on concise and straightforward information such as facts, statistics, graphs, charta, data. They also like compare A and B results a lot of times, or research. Again, the good example is like watching like a dentist commercial for toothpaste. A lot of times they said 9 out of 10 dentists recommend it. Now I'm not sure if that's good or not, but if it's like, I mean by good as in like, is it real or not? As does the actual statistic matter? Is that really 9 out of 10? Or are they just saying it's 9 out of 10? That's an ethical scenario right there. But they're using that fact of numbers to convince you like, oh, okay, 90% of people recommend this, so I'll probably have a good chance of having a good element as well. So Logos does a really good job with that, using numbers and factuals to get you to trust something. Now pathos is the final element. This is the third visual technique. It focuses on emotion directly and uses it as a persuasive appeal that captures our attention and audience. A lot of times they play on our senses, our memories and experiences, and it is what it means to connect with an audience verbally or visually, and it's quite powerful. Now, UNICEF, any type of programs that or charity or community elements that really focus on like people or animals in a lot of ways, like putting like sad, emaciated individuals or animals that can convince you to donate or to help a cause out in a lot of ways to try and get you to engage from that interaction as well. So that's pathos. They try to use visuals to trigger your emotions on a lot of different levels. But other than that, that's all I got. So I want y'all to finish your assignments. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Do keep in mind that also my live lecture will be dropping here this afternoon on recording if you need it. And also keep in mind next week's only 2 days. So make sure if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and I will see y'all later. And keep in mind, in a class on Tuesday, make sure you got all your assignments in. Be safe. Enjoy the rest of the week. Bye-bye.